Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn numbers. Kids colors name green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first we draw one. The numbers of one and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw two. The numbers of two. Kids now draw three. The numbers of three and use yellow color. T H R double E three. Four. The numbers of four and again use yellow color. Kids now draw five. The numbers of five and again use yellow color. It's neither six. The numbers of six and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw seven. The numbers of seven. It's neither eight. The numbers of eight and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw nine. The numbers of nine. It's neither 10. And again use blue color. It's neither 11. The numbers of 11. And use black color. It's again use black color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. It's neither 13. The numbers of 13 and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15. And again use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16. And use green color. 17. The numbers of 17. And again use green color. It's now draw 18. The numbers of 18 and use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 19. The numbers of 19. Kids 9 or 20. The numbers of 20. And again use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.